Don't want certain someone to view your posts? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to hide posts from a friend on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Scroll down, then go to Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Posts under Audience and Visibility. Now, beside Who Can See Your Future Posts, tap the Public icon. Then select Friends Accept. Then select the friend that you want to hide the post from. Then tap on Done. And this is how you hide a post from a friend. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.